Hello, my friend. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called Forrest Gump. It is a comedy and a drama from the United States. The film is from 1994. Forrest Gump is a story about one man. He is a simple man with a good heart. He lives in America. He sees many important events in history. But he is always kind and honest. The main character is Forrest Gump. He is from a small town in Alabama. He is not very smart, but he is very kind. His mother loves him very much. She says, "Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you get." Forrest goes to school. There he meets a girl. Her name is Jenny. She is his best friend. He loves her all his life. Forrest is very fast. He can run very fast. At university, he plays American football. Many people watch him. He becomes famous. After university, Forrest goes to the army. He goes to Vietnam for war. There he meets a new friend. His name is Bubba. Bubba wants to have a shrimp boat. He and Forrest dream about this business. In the war, many soldiers die. Bubba dies too. Forrest saves many friends. He gets a medal from the president. After the war, Forrest buys a shrimp boat. He names it Jenny. At first, he catches no shrimp. Then one day, he catches many shrimp. His business is very successful. He becomes a rich man. Forrest also plays table tennis very well. He goes to China for a competition. He meets the president again. He is on TV many times. But Forrest thinks about one thing. He thinks about Jenny. He wants to see her again. Many years pass. One day, he sees Jenny. She has a small son. The boy is Forrest's son. Jenny is sick. She cannot live for a long time. Forrest and Jenny get married. Jenny dies. Forrest lived with his son. He takes him to school. He sits on a bench and waits. He tells his story to different people. He is a good father. He is happy with his son. I like this film because it is very warm and deep. It is about love, friendship, and life. Forrest is not smart, but he is a good person. The film is funny and sad at the same time. Today we learned some words. Mother, friend, war, boat, business, president, son, bench. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.